All the best for INI-CET exam that is on 5th November 2023.
My best wishes to all my dear students appearing for the INI-CET exam.
Best of luck to all of you for upcoming INI-CET exam.
Hi, my dear friends. Very best of luck from my side. And I hope that you will answer up the questions in a very smart and a perfect way and will achieve your desired results.
Do your best and come up with flying color.
एकदम जम के पढ़ाई करेंगे और 5 तारीख को you will show all your true colors. Best of luck.
Wish you all the very best.
This is Shashwat Ray, your friend in your good ophthalmologist. Wishing you the best of luck for the INI-CET exam tomorrow. May they only ask questions which you studied in the last 72 hours.
Hello dear student, best of luck for your INI-CET exam. I know you have studied well. Give your best shot.
I'm sure you're going to rock it, put your best efforts into the exam, and God will surely crown you with success. My good wishes are always with you. अच्छे से सोकर जाना ताकि आपको सब कुछ याद आ सके जो आपने इतनी मेहनत से पढ़ा है. And चकते फट्टे. All the very, very best.
Best of luck for your INI-CET exam.
All the best to all my dear friend for INI-CET exam.
Stay calm, stay focused, and I'm sure you'll come out a winner. Best wishes and God bless.